welcome to Yogi Nest. I am Jenna, I'm the owner of Yogi Nest, and today I'm going to be guiding you through the long version of body scanning for beginners. So if you're in a pinch and you don't have very much time, click out of this video and check out the shorter version so that you can at least get some benefit of doing this exercise. So if you need to reduce stress and anxiety and get centered and find some balance really, really fast, the other video is for you. This video is longer, it is more educational, and the body scan is much more detailed. So well, first of all, what even is a body scan? So a body scan, you can either do this sitting up or lying down. You don't need any equipment and you don't need any experience. And you are literally scanning your head or scanning your body from the top of your head all the way down to your toes. And what body scanning is doing is it's giving you information about your body. Your body is sending you messages 24/7. And if we don't quiet ourselves down or calm ourselves down enough, we can't listen to those messages, and they're valuable messages. Our bodies are telling us what we need. Do we need more food, water, rest? Do we need to move our bodies? It is giving you so much information all of the time, and we need to listen. This is one of those ways to do that. It also reduces stress and anxiety. It helps you to get centered, find balance, and to get grounded. Look, we are incredibly busy all of the time. There is so much going on, and there is so much bringing our attention in all over the place. We're always being pulled all over the place. But the most important relationship that you have is with you and your body. So this practice can help you build a better relationship with yourself. So I know that this works from personal experience. This really helped me on my journey to remission from lupus because it helped me build a better relationship with myself so that I could really listen to the messages that my body was sending me and listen and slow the F down, because that's really what I needed to do, was slow down. And my body was giving me those messages, I just wasn't listening. Let's see, so all you need is somewhere to sit or lie down comfortably, and an open mind and some patience and some loving kindness for yourself. And that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and either lie down or sit up comfortably in a chair somewhere with little to no distractions, and we'll get started. So I'm gonna lie down here. I have a little blanket at the top of my mat that I use as a pillow because that's what I like. And then I'm just lying really flat. My shoulders are releasing down away from my ears. My legs are out wider than hips distance. And I'm just so comfortable. I'm not holding anywhere or gripping anywhere that I could literally fall asleep. But don't fall asleep. But do close your eyes. We're gonna get started and enjoy.
Get comfortable and find stillness in the body and close your eyes. Allow the body to feel heavy, the limbs to fully relax. You're not holding or gripping anywhere or feeling tight, nice and loose. The face, jaw, and neck should be relaxed. You may open and close your mouth here a few times. We hold a lot of stress in the jaw. Let the shoulders melt down away from the ears. Inhale deeply through the nose, nice and slow. When you're completely full, open the mouth and audibly let it go. Let's do this a few more times. Nice big inhale through the nose. Open the mouth. One more time. Big inhale through the nose. Open the mouth. Now close the lips and come back to normal breathing in and out of the nose. Imagine a small sphere floating above the crown of your head. It's a soft violet color. It's calming, peaceful, and makes you feel balanced. Inhale the sphere through the crown of the head and use its soft lilac tone to color in the body as you begin your scan. Scan the top of your head, forehead, temples, eyelids, cheeks, nose, jaw, ears, the front, back, and sides of the neck. While you're scanning, ask yourself, how does my physical body feel today? Tight, sore, relaxed, comfortable? You're not trying to change or stop feelings and emotions that come up. You're just noticing them, acknowledging them, and then move on. Ask yourself, where am I emotionally today? Stressed, sad, depressed, happy, calm, relaxed? Listen for a moment to the messages your body is sending you. Taking time to check in with yourself so you have more information about what you need to go back into your day or night in a way that is safe and healthy for you, both physically and mentally. Scan the right shoulder, inner and outer upper arm, elbow, forearm, wrist, front and back of the right hand and all 5 fingers. The left shoulder, inner and outer upper arm, elbow, forearm, wrist, front and back of the left hand and all 5 fingers. If you drift off or lose concentration, just come back to your breath. Scan your upper chest, collarbones, and the space between them, your rib cage, the lungs, expanding and contracting as you inhale and exhale, your torso, right and left sides of the torso, front and back of the torso, your upper back, middle back, and lower back, your entire spine. Emotions and feelings may surface. Let them. Acknowledge them. Be grateful for the messages your body is sending you. Then let them pass. Scan your right hip, left hip, lower belly, tailbone, and pelvis. Your right thigh, inner thigh, outer thigh, front and back of the thigh, your right knee, the right shin and calf, the right ankle, top and bottom of the right foot, and all 5 toes. Your left thigh, inner thigh, outer thigh, front and back of the left knee, the left shin and calf, left ankle, top and bottom of the left foot, and all 5 toes. Bring yourself back to your physical body and let's take some deep breaths together. Take a nice, big, healthy inhale through the nose, and when you're completely full, open the mouth and audibly let it go. keeping the eyes closed. What came up for you today during this scan? What messages did your physical body send you? What emotional messages did your body send you? Can you take this information into your day or night and give your body what it needs, what it's asking for? Can you carve out some time today, tonight, or tomorrow to take special care of your physical and mental body? It's the only one you have. So it's important to listen and give it what it needs to stay healthy, stress-free, and happy. Begin to bring some small movements back into the fingers and toes, wiggle them around, and gently open your eyes.
Good. So, to come out of this, I'm lying on the floor, so I'm going to do a little stretch on the floor. If you're sitting in a chair, you can do some shoulder rolls, you can roll out your neck, but I like to do a little stretch at the end of this. So I'm going to inhale my arms up over my head, onto the floor behind me. I'm going to exhale and draw my knees in towards my chest, and I'm going to wrap my arms around my shins, and I'm just pulling my knees into my chest, giving myself a little bit of a squeeze. I'm stretching out my hips and stretching out my back. I can rock side to side. This is one of my all-time favorite poses. It's called Apanasana, and it's especially great if you sit a lot because it just works out the lower back and the hips, and I like to do a little rock side to side. And then I'm going to roll off to the right. I'm going to stay here for a second. And then I'm going to press myself up with my left hand and come to a seated position. And that's it. I hope that you really enjoyed this body scan. I hope that you feel less stressed, less anxious. I hope that you have more knowledge about your body. I hope that you were able to really listen when I asked you to check in with your physical body, when I asked you to check in with your mental body and emotions that were coming up, to really listen to what was going on without judgment, and just being kind to yourself. It's okay if you're not feeling super positive today, and it's great if you are feeling super positive today. That's something to note and be grateful for. But yeah, you really need to try to check in with yourself at least once a day. If you can do a breathing meditation, a regular meditation, move your body a little bit, do a body scan for 60 seconds a day, for 5 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day, you will see the benefits. You will have a better relationship with yourself. And if you have a better relationship with yourself, all of your other relationships will be better as well. You only have one body, you have to take care of it. And if you feel good about yourself, and you're able to check in with yourself, and you're doing the things that you need to take care of you, you will have better relationships in your life. You will function better out in the world because you will be healthier and you will be happier. So you can follow us on Instagram at The Yogi Nest and subscribe to our channel. And I hope you're doing well during this mandatory isolation. You know, we can still connect here online. I'm making videos for you guys. I'm still doing one-on-one sessions online. So reach out. I'm here to help you, and I will see you soon.